On this video today, I'm going to show you apps and websites that you can use to make money online and then get paid the same day. These apps that I'm about to show you does not require any special skills. You don't need to invest any money, and the best part is that all the apps and websites are available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use them to make money from home and then get paid. So if you want to get more details about these websites, keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first website that you can use to earn money from home is Offernessing.com. On this website, you are going to take part in surveys. Once you complete a survey and then earn up to $1, you are going to be paid. You can see right here, just join free, get paid today. So once you join and then complete a survey, you are going to be paid the same day. And you can see right here, they have a bonus. So once you join this particular website, they are going to give you bonus money. So once they give you the bonus money, you just need to put a little effort so that you can get paid within the same day. You can see they have different payment methods that you can use to receive your money. You can receive your money through Amazon gift card, you can see TransferWise, you can see PayPal, you can see Skrill, Tango. So these are the methods of payment that you can use to receive your money. The best part is that you are going to be paid within 8 hours, as you can see it right here. So once you earn up to $1, you are going to be paid within 8 hours. You can see it right here, and there is no PayPal fee. So if you are using PayPal to receive your money, you don't have to worry about any PayPal charges because this website is going to pay it for you. As you can see it right here, you can see right here they have hundreds of surveys available for global brands. So wherever you are in the world, you are going to be getting a lot of surveys that you can complete on this platform and then get paid. As I scroll down, you can see these are examples of surveys that you are going to complete to earn money. You can see this one right here. If you are able to complete it, you are going to be earning $5.40. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $12 when you complete the survey. You can see this one, you are going to be earning 80 cents when you complete the survey. As I scroll, you can see this one right here, $4.35 when you complete the survey. You can see this one, $5.40 when you complete the survey. You can see this one, you are going to be earning $1.25 when you complete the survey. You can see right here, if you are able to complete many of them, you are going to be earning up to $10. So this is one of the simplest websites that you can use to earn money from home and then get paid today. To join this website, we are going to click right here, join today, so that you can create your free accounts. The next website is Superplay.me. This website will also pay you to complete surveys. You can see it right here, online paid surveys for money. Once you participate in the surveys, you are going to be paid today. You can see get paid today. The minimum threshold is $1. You can see it right here. So if you are able to complete surveys and then earn up to $1, you are going to be paid today. You can see they also have sign up bonus that you are going to earn when you create an account. You can see it right here. So when you create your accounts, you are going to get your sign up bonus. Once you get your sign up bonus, you have to work a little bit so that you can get your $1 and then be paid the same day. You can see right here, you can get your payment through Amazon, PayPal, TransferWise, you can see Skrill. So all these payments methods, they are available worldwide except PayPal. So in your country, if PayPal is not allowed, you can use TransferWise so that you can be receiving your money when you earn money on this platform. One good thing I like about this platform is that even if you are not able to complete the surveys, you can invite your friends to join this website. Once they join and then earn, you are going to be earning a commission out of the amount that they have earned. So you can earn money even if you don't work on this website. What you have to do is that just invite friends. Once you invite them to create an account, anytime they earn money by completing a survey, you are also going to be earning a percentage out of their earnings. So make sure you invite your friends to join this website so that you can be earning double anytime they complete a survey. Create an account, just click right here, join today, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts, you can be earning money on this website. The next website is Surveytime.io. You can see it right here, Surveytime.io. On this website, you are also going to be paid instant. You can see right here, get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. So when you complete a survey, you are going to earn up to $1. Once you earn up to $1, you can cash it out wherever you are in the world. You can see they have a lot of good rating on Trustpilot. You can see it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to join the website so that you can use it to earn a lot of money. So just search for this website. Once you search for it, you can read more details about it. If you want, you can join so that you can be earning money by completing surveys. You can see right here, if you want to sign up, you can use your Google accounts, you can use your Facebook accounts, or you can click right here, sign up with email. So once you click on it, you are going to provide your email and then the rest of the details so that you can create a free account and then start to complete surveys so that you can earn money on this platform. The next website is instagc.com. On this website, you have a lot of different opportunities that you can use to earn money. So let me just scroll down to show you. As you can see right here, you can earn money by completing surveys, you can earn money by watching videos, shopping online, you can see searching the web. So if you are outside the United States, you can watch videos, you can also shop online to earn money on this website. So make sure you stick to the surveys so that you can be making money on this website. This website, they are not going to pay you real money. You are going to earn points. Once you earn the points, you can redeem your points into PayPal gift cards, Amazon gift card, or PayPal cash. So once you earn the points, you can redeem it for anything that you want. So make sure you search for this particular website and then join so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. The best part is that they are going to pay you within 24 hours when you earn money on this particular website. If you want to join the website, you can use your Facebook accounts, you can use your Twitter, you can use your Google accounts. If you don't want that, you are going to enter your name right here, enter your password, confirm your password, and then enter your email address right here. Click on sign up and get 10 points for free. So once you sign up, you are going to get bonus points. Once you get the bonus points, you can work a little bit harder so that you can earn a lot of points on this platform and then exchange them for whatever gift card that you want. The next website is GameHack.com. On this website, what you are going to do is that you are going to be playing games. Once you play the games, you are going to be earning something called soul gems. So once you earn the soul gems, you can redeem them for money. And the best part is that it is very easy to get a lot of points. You can see this particular game right here. You are going to be earning 5,310 points. You can see this one, 120 points. As I scroll, you can see many other games and the amount of points that you are going to earn. When you sign up for an account, you are going to see a lot of different games that you can play to earn money on this platform. Everything is so simple, so make sure you sign up for an account so that you can be earning money on this website. You can exchange your soul gems and then get paid through your PayPal accounts. You can see it right here, and many other different ways that you can use to exchange your gems. So this particular website is one of the best that you can use to earn money from home and then get paid today. You don't need any skills to use this platform to make money. What you have to do is that you have to just play the games. Once you play the games, you are going to be earning the soul gems. Once you earn it, you can exchange it for money. Apart from that, you can equally invite your friends so that they can also join this website. Once they join, you are going to be earning money. You can see right here, invite friends. So when you click on invite friends, you can invite your friends to come and play games on this platform. Once they play the games, anytime they earn soul gems, you are also going to earn a portion of their earnings so that you can add it to your own earning and then make a lot of money using this particular website. To sign up for an account, you are going to click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up for a free account. Wherever you are in the world, you can sign up for a free account and then start to use this particular website to make money from home. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.